Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making the tom yum with mixed mushroom. I like to eat this soup when I get sick. It makes me feel good because it is a very light soup that's easy to make. So let's have a look at the ingredients. Tear the oyster mushroom into thin pieces just to make it easy to eat. For the enoki, cut the bottom off and tear them into small bunches. Divide the mushrooms into 4 quarters. These are spices for aroma in the soup. First, red onion, cut into half and chop into rough chunks. Secondly, galangal, slice them into thin pieces. Thirdly, lemongrass, remove the upper stem of the stalk and also the outer leaves, then slice into pieces. And fourth, remove the stalks of chili and cut into half. Cut tomato into half and slice into thin pieces. Cut the stem of the spring onion and cut them into 3 cm. Set the pot on high heat, then add the water or stock. Any kind of stock is fine for this recipe, chicken or veggies. After, add all spices and wait until it's boiled. Add all mushrooms into the pot. Stir a bit. Then add salt, fish sauce, and roasted chili paste. Stir well once again. Wait until boiled. Then add the tomato and mix well. Turn off the heat. We don't cook it too long because all the veggies are easy to cook. Add lime or lemon juice always at last because If you add when the soup still boils and is very hot, you will not gonna taste the sourness and you will continue add more and ruin the whole soup. Serve in the bowl when it's still hot. You can eat with rice or aperitif if you prefer. So this is my tom yum. Hope you guys enjoy watching this soup recipe. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and see you for the next video. Bye!